Hi, I'm Frida Liu, and you might have heard me talk about the latest business news. During the next few weeks, Business Circle will be looking how innovation has helped transform Malaysia's business landscape and how Malaysians themselves are using innovation to help them with their business and the quality of life. Pouring waste oil away inconsiderately could wreak havoc on the environment, not to mention the money you could be literally throwing away. In this episode of the Business Circle, we'll dive into the innovative minds of Malaysia. This is the energy of waste. Let's get an indication of how much waste cooking oil we Malaysians produce in a year. Imagine an Olympic-sized swimming pool. That's like 2.5 million litres. Now times that by 88, a whopping 220 million litres of waste oil showcasing our ignorance. Thankfully, Malaysia is also blessed with bright-minded innovators that has a solution for converting all that waste into energy. Vinesh Sinha of Fat Hopes Energy Sendirian Berhad gives us an insight on converting organic waste oil into biodiesel.
We are a company focused on waste oil collection, homogenization and conversion of the same into biodiesel.
What is the inherent energy of 1 litre of waste oil converted to biodiesel?
If 1 litre of waste oil was converted to biodiesel, we would be able to run a phone for 4,000 hours and a laptop for 600 hours. That's the inherent energy that we are giving up every time we throw a litre of oil down the drain. Our company motto is waste to wealth conversion. We coined this motto at the early stages of the business when we realized that we were collecting and converting a nuisance waste stream into a renewable energy source. With such a motto, we will be able to propagate this business model which recovers possible waste streams and converts it into an energy source that we can use today. The sectors that are extremely supportive of this initiative are the food and beverage sector, definitely, where they produce large amounts of waste oil that we collect and we convert, as well as very good support from local construction industry, as they are huge consumers of diesel, and we are able to price our fuel at not just competitive but at a static price for a longer duration. They get to hedge their business of construction based on our fuel prices. So we're getting a very good take-up from the disposal side as well as from the consumer side, which has proven very good for us.
Being in the F&B industry for the past 8 years, cafe owner Ken Lee decided it's time to go green.
All this while, we've been disposing our used cooking oil to any used cooking oil collectors, and we don't care what they do with it. But until about 2 years ago, I come across Fat Hopes Energy, and they offer me the same price. Instead of throwing into waste, it's turned into biodiesel. So it's, in a way, it's environmental friendly. If let's say I'm driving a diesel car for my own use, it's okay, because in the sense that my waste can turn into what I use. So in a way, I'm actually saving.
If you are a diesel consumer today, you can opt to change to a renewable source of energy, which is a drop-in fuel available now with no modifications to your vehicle, as well as we are able to offer you a competitive price. Hence, going green today is not more expensive. It can be slightly cheaper even.
As a firm believer in quality, TK Siva discovers the benefits of using biodiesel.
There was a major problem because of the local diesel sold in the pumps are not of good quality, and I was given a shocker by the car manufacturer that I have to spend something like 20,000 ringgit to change the valves because they have corroded. Together with my car, I'm also using for my forklifts in the factory. 3 of my forklifts are now running on biodiesel.
We currently produce fuel in compliance to the global standard of EN 14214, but we've developed few proprietary methodologies that have enabled us to homogenize and average the quality of waste oils produced to ensure that every single drop can be converted to biodiesel.
Fat Hopes Energy also formulates products for varied applications such as BioRecoil diesel additive for enhancing ignition, bulk bunker grade biodiesel for machinery, Fat Bio 2T for two-stroke lubrication applications, crude glycerin and solid fuels.
So by using biodiesel now, I don't see any more black smoke, regular diesel sound of an engine, and it's much more smoother. And I hope that in time to come, it is going to save me a lot of money on the maintenance part.
There you have it. The next time you decide to pour your used cooking oil into the drain, think about the energy you're wasting. Why not consider converting your waste into wealth?